Now we're in the spinning facility, which I'm actually really excited about because this is a carded open end spinning facility. Most of the time at Allmade, most of our shirts are combed ring spun, and this is a little bit faster and much quicker and lower cost to produce. Also, since this is recycled fiber, the staple's shorter, so it's much easier to open end spin it. Unlike our Allmade Tri-Blend AL 2004 and our Allmade AL 2100 organic cotton, which are combed ring spun or compacted ring spun, the AL 2300 is a 30 singles carded open end spun, and the AL 3000 is an 18 singles carded open end spun. Stage one is you're actually opening up the bales and sucking it in and putting it into the blending machines. There's a few different ways to open it. You can do it manually and on a smaller scale, like right here. Just take, this is the recycled fiber, 100% black. Put it on the opener, just manually like this. Or you have the automated machine over there. So right here we have smaller openers that are more manual and meant to mix these fibers. So right here we have black, 100% recycled cotton. And then over here we have our recycled polyester. So this is the polyester. This is going into a blended product. It's going to be your athletic gray using some black cotton, some white cotton, and some recycled polyester. So this is the intimate blending machine. You're actually taking all the fibers and measuring them by weight and blending them intimately together before it's spun. So right here with this athletic gray, we have the black cotton. We have the white cotton. On an athletic gray, it's only about 8% black cotton. Then it's going to be about 48% or 42% white cotton, and then we mix in the other 50% polyester to make that 50-50 blend. So that's all measured by weight, and you can see right there you have about 50% polyester, 42% white cotton, and then 8% black cotton. Here's the carding machine, which you're making the sliver that's going to be spun. This is one of the reasons why carded open end is so much faster. It only goes through one process before you go to spinning, versus combed ring spun where it goes through multiple processes. So that sliver goes directly into the open end spinning machine, spinning it into yarn. This is why carded open end shirts are so much cheaper than ring spun or combed ring spun, because the processes are so much faster to get to the yarn. Right here, this machine is doing this athletic gray. It's doing it 26 singles. So you can set this machine up to do either the 18 singles of the 3000 or the 30 singles of our 2300, depending on the settings of the machine. You see how big this machine is? Each carded open end spinning machine has about 750 different heads on it. They do about 440 cones a day. So this is actually a very slow process, and that's why these machines are so large, because it takes a long time to spin that into the comb. And then we end with 100% recycled comb. Now this is the black that we use in our AL 2300. Mixes a 100% black recycled cotton with 100% black recycled polyester that is dope dyed, so it has no dye migration issues, prints beautifully. Now you may ask, why aren't we recycling new shirts? Well, there is so much cutting waste in this industry that our job is to educate and use recycled fabrics to start with. When we get the demand going on all the cutting waste, the post-industrial recycled product that's available, we then can move to post-consumer recycled product. But first, you gotta ask for those recycled products, use those recycled products, print on those recycled products, and wear those recycled products.